This is pressure water reactor PWR. So in this pressure water reactor, extra parts adding in pressure equalizer. So first we see the core. In this core, fuel is storage and heat energy produced in this core. So not only heat energy, neutron and alpha beta gamma rays also coming in this core. So we take the heat by coolant, and alpha beta gamma rays also is very dangerous. It's produce cancer also for human. So we arrest the alpha beta gamma rays by using the thermal shield. This is a thermal shield. So in secondary safety, we use the concrete shield for the arrest alpha beta gamma rays. So we have to produce the heat in this core, and we take the heat by using the coolant. So this coolant is change the hot coolant. The hot coolant is go to the heat exchanger. So in this heat exchanger, we put the water in the boiler heat exchanger. So the water take the heat by the hot coolant. So water is changed to the steam. The steam is go to the turbine. So the turbine plate is rotating. The shaft is connect the turbine. So shaft rotated and shaft connect the generator. So generate produce the electricity. So the steam to the turbine go to the condenser. So condenser is cool the steam. So steam is go automatically change the water. So in this area we use the feed pump. Feed pump is maintain the medium pressure. So medium pressure water is go to the heat exchanger again. So we why we maintain the medium pressure? So we maintain the medium pressure so easily absorb the heat by the coolant. So we have to use the feed pump. So hot coolant go to the boiler and again come and we put the water into the core. So in this area we use the circulation pump. Different feed pump and circulation pump is feed pump only maintain medium pressure and it's used to take the coolant, and circulation pump is the maintain high pressure because we need the because it produce more heat in the core, so we take the more heat from the core. So we maintain high pressure, that time we take more pressure from the core, so use the circulation pump. So we use the extra part is pressure equalizer. It's important in the PWR. So what is the function of pressure equalization? So in this core, hot coolant is out in this area. So that time sometimes pressure is very high, sometimes pressure is very low, because this is heat is more heat. So must we maintain the pressure in this area. So we use the pressure equalizer. So sometimes pressure is increased, pressure is low, so that time the automatically fuel water come in this area, so pressure is increased. Sometimes pressure is increased, automatically water is go to the in this area, so pressure is reduced. So how to this function? The heater is used to increase the pressure. Temperature is increased, automatically pressure also increased. So in upper place is steam, store the steam. So pressure is increased in this line. That time cold water go to the steam line. So steam is change the water. So already we know steam have high volume, water is low volume. So cold water go to the steam, so automatically volume reduced in this area, in this area reduced the area, so this area pressure automatically reduced. So this is a pressure water reactor.